When you wake up in the morning, what is the first thought which comes to your mind? And what kind of emotion does it bring to your mind? Is it like, oh my God, I have to do this? Oh, I could not do this yesterday. That guy hurt me. I am not probably good enough to do this. I might lose my job today. I might get rejected by that girl or by that boy. So, is it the first thought which comes to your mind in the morning? And then you wonder why your life is going down the drain. Probably this is the last thought which you had at the time of sleeping. So we all uh, start our day with mostly with these kind of negative thoughts, because probably we don't have any control over these thoughts. We are slave to our thoughts. We are not the master of our mind. Mind is a machine which is there at our disposal to be used. But probably it is the other way around. Mind is using us and we have become machines. So, what can you do? What is the solution? See, you can start your day and end your days or start your night with a positive thought. And what better thought than gratitude? Now, what is gratitude? And do you really find any reason in your life, in your current life, in the very uh, last day which you have lived? Do you find any reason to thank God or the Supreme Power or yourself or anybody else? Any reason to thank anybody, somebody, or God? Think about it. Suppose, like, you have two hands. Now, what will happen if you lose one of your hands in an accident? Now, what will happen when you get this hand back? Maybe by a surgical intervention by a doctor or by any miracle, you will be very happy. You will thank that doctor or God for that miracle. You will thank. Now, you haven't lost the these this hand now. I mean, you have both the two hands. Can't you thank God for that? You are alive, you are breathing, you are alive to see this beautiful day, to live this beautiful day. You can listen to the chirping of birds, you can see a beautiful flower. Can't you be thankful for that? You, your family, everybody woke up in the morning. Isn't it great? So many people you find, which were not so fortunate, they died in night. So, if you ask yourself and see, it is a habit. Like if you tune your mind in such a way that it sees only negatives, then you will see only negatives. If you tune your mind in a way that it starts seeing positive in every situation, it will start seeing positives in every situation. So, what should you do? You can end your day with some affirmations, gratitude affirmations, or see, rather than focusing on negatives, you should focus on some positive things like gratitude, love, affection, compassion, trust, faith, and see what kind of flowering it can bring to your life. It is amazing. We have given some links. You can listen to these affirmations or self-hypnosis sessions or guided meditations, whatever you may call them. They're beautiful and they'll change your life. So start your day with gratitude and see, it's It's amazing. So if you want more of this stuff, do write to me in the comment section. And if you if you find this information good, share it with your friends and spread the happiness all along. Thank you. Love yourself. Stay blessed.